Let's till the soil and grow some weeds, and he's your God of precious seeds. 'Cause when I start the seed, you should know you will always reap exactly what you sow. Sow mercy, sow grace, sow kindness, sow faith, and words are like water, you will harvest all your hearts been dreaming of. So I will see. And right then, she took my hand. That patch of dirt was no thing, and she said, "Sir, I learned this long ago. You can as a curse, you can live or die. See you choose the path you want in life. Now that's the way you see. Well, I know you will always reap exactly what you sow. Words are waters, sprinkling love. You will harvest all your hearts been dreaming of. 'Cause one day God forbids you back to food and fall down hard and fast. That is true. If you ever wish to help a friend, and you have may lift you up again. Goes around, comes back around. Oh, you will always reap exactly what. So